Auxilia Borison, and this is my first birthing experience. One of our colleagues referred to us for Curegynec IVF Birthing Hospital in Thane. So we came here for our gynec consultation. So we chose Dr. Vidya Shetty as recommended by one of our colleagues. So and from the day one when we started consulting Dr. Vidya Shetty, we found her very caring and supporting towards our queries, whatever doubts we used to have regarding the pregnancy and different trimesters, any diet issues. So she used to address all our issues very calmly and in a very sophisticated manner, and she always used to make things easier for us, though there were certain issues in my pregnancy, but still she made all the things sound so easy and so simple that nothing complicated actually happened during my pregnancy because of all her guidance throughout my 3 trimesters. And during my birthing experience, we had actually been blessed with a baby girl, and though I had a C-section, but she made that process also quite easier, and there were other doctors also accompanying her, and there was the anesthetist. She was also equally supportive, and before I went for the procedure, I was explained all the things what I would be going through, and what would be given to me, and what the process is, what are the protocols, what is going to happen. So everything, all the doctors, all the staff, everyone, they explain you everything prior to doing so. So like you are always briefed on what you are about to go through, so that makes actually the altogether experience even more easier and less traumatic. So I was able to go through this C-section quite easily, and it was a great experience as Dr. Vidya Shetty performed the C-section, and other equally equipped doctors accompanied her, and it was a great experience. And the post-birth experience and the hospitality offered to us was equally good. The staff here is quite supportive, the nursing staff, the other people who actually take care of the child, who help us to know the things what are required to actually take care of the child, and the lactation process, the other things which a new or the first time mother needs to know. Though since I am a first time mother, I didn't knew many of the stuff, but there was a lactation expert visiting us every day. There was the pediatrician who used to daily monitor our child and help us to know whether the child is perfectly normal or not. And obviously our gynae, Dr. Vidya Shetty, used to visit us daily, inquiring about my health and my recovery status. So everything we found was quite good. The dietitian also explained us the diet plan which I need to follow post my pregnancy, which would help me recover from my C-section delivery. So overall my birthing experience was quite good, and I would highly recommend Curegynec IVF Hospital to other people as well, especially if anyone would like recommendation from my side. I would highly recommend Dr. Vidya Shetty as their gynec consultant. Thank you.
How was your experience with during the stay of the hospital?
During the stay of my hospital was quite good and comfortable. The hospitality offered by the staff was quite good, and there was timely attendants who used to attend to our queries, and there was 24/7 nursing staff who used to help us with the baby. Since I am a first time mother, so I was initially struggling with my baby, so they always used to help me in feeding my baby, in diapering my baby, and taking care of my baby. So the overall experience was quite good.